Want to turn your passion for drawing into a full-time career? Discover our courses at Brushcamp where you become a master in the realm of digital painting. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities.
Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 4. As I said about this lesson, we will do exercises together to better understand the pen tool and how to draw on shapes. Here we have 3 icons. Let's draw it together with the pen tool. To draw a curve, first we choose a point right here, to the place where its feeling will be straight. We'll start at this point. We'll draw a curve. We hold shift so we drag our horizontal stroke to make it straight. We will make some adjustments later. For example, we want to draw a straight line, but it is being tangent like that. You hold shift and click on it. It will lose the next navigation bar. It will lose the navigation bar in the direction you will draw next. We will continue to draw here. Then connect here. We hold down shift. Let we draw curves over here. Now we will start with the adjustment. We will adjust this point down a bit. Let it start to match our pattern. Adjust it to match our pattern a bit. Here too. Let it move up a bit. Let's make it match our picture. This color is a bit light, so I made it a little darker. When you have this picture, to multiply it, you press Alt and Shift. And then you shrink it. Still holding Shift to shrink it. Now you're seeing it being the opposite of this one, right? Select the object, right-click, select Transform, click Reflect. You choose according to vertical. To flip horizontally, you see that it's smaller than this, so we pulled it out a bit horizontally. Here too. You will copy it. Then you turn it around. Edit it here. You hold shift to pull it out. We already have this image. That's how you use the pen tool. And to make these features more beautiful, you have to spend more time and edit them more carefully. As an example, I will edit this path. I will edit this to make it more accurate. I will lower this point. Lower this point. Of course, we will use Shift+C, which means this tool, to get the navigation bar here. We will use the direct selection tool to adjust the navigation bar. Pull it straight up here a bit, and this one I'll squeeze it a bit. Increase this one. Increase this point a bit. When we do it carefully, our curves will be beautiful. This curve will be so beautiful. Same as here, we'll take this down. And here we increase it a bit. And this side down. Like this, our curves will be more beautiful. Next is the hand. This hand too. As you can see, we will draw from here and scroll down here. Can you see it curving from here to here? We will need at least 3 points. A curvy point here. While drawing the pen tool, we should not use too much, because when you use too many points, your strokes won't look good. Like a straight line, it should only be composed of 2 points. And so is the circle. It should only be composed of 4 points, then it will be beautiful. Don't use too many points, it will be bad, so limit the point. For example, a curve from here to here, you only need 3 points is enough. No need for 4 points or 5 points. It will be redundant. Like here, we want to make a sharp corner here. We hold Alt and click here. to make it lose the navigation bar here. And we can draw an acute angle. Here let it curve up. Here we will pull it curve up slightly. We'll end it here. We will continue to adjust it to make it look like that. We will drag the navigation bar and reduce it a bit. Reduce this navigation bar a bit. This place, we need to take it down. We press Shift+C so I can get this navigation bar here. We'll start tweaking it. Like this. It will be more beautiful. Here too. This one I will lower this navigation bar a bit. And this one I will raise. Here too. If we just take the time to adjust, it will be more beautiful. Then we will press Alt and Shift. Copy it over here. Right-click and select Transform, click Reflect. Choose Vertical. When you reflect like this, do you see how many steps like that take a lot of time? I will guide you in a faster way. Maybe you drag over, multiply, then press the Alt key. It will show the mind. It will reveal the mind of this object. And you hold the Shift key and drag the mouse from left to right to flip it. And if you flip to the bottom, you press Shift and flip from above to flip down. If you turn it upside down, do the same. Drag it up and hold down the mouse. From the right side we will flip over. From the left side we will flip over. Once you get used to it, it will be much faster than selecting the right mouse button and clicking Transform, click Reflect. It will take a lot of time and many clicks. We will move to the lotus flower. So, as in the beginning, many of you will do it like this. You will draw a point here, like this. Press Alt to draw sharp corners and you continue to draw here. Then you continue to draw here. Press Alt and continue drawing here. I will stop. When we want to stop this command, press the Escape button at the top of the keyboard. Or when you are drawing, press the P key, it will stop. You want to continue drawing here. If you normally do not press any key combination, you just use this pen tool to drag it. It will immediately remove this point. It will remove this point because it shows a minus sign. If you want to draw from here to here, press Shift. It adds an entry point and then you draw it like that. Press Alt to be able to draw sharp corners. Press the P key to stop. And we continue down here. Hold Shift so we can continue drawing. Press Alt. Pull it. Press P to interrupt the command. Press Shift to continue drawing. Press P to interrupt the command. That's it. We use the letter V to switch back to the selection tool. It's not wrong to use this way to draw, but in terms of accuracy, it's not completely accurate. Many times it will be skewed. This stroke and this stroke are not the same, but sometimes when you design a logo, people ask for perfection. These 5 petals must all be the same, equal and the same size. The same curvature. Then the pen tool drawing is like that. It doesn't guarantee that property. So I will show you how to use another tool to be able to create a more perfect lotus. Now to draw the 5-petal lotus symbol, we'll take a circle, because its rotations are the same. In that symbol, its rotation angles are the same. It forms 5 petals. In this exercise, I will guide you through a new tool called this rotate tool. To be able to rotate, you select that object. Then you click on the rotate tool. Its shortcut is the letter R. Click on it, select this tool. Its default center of rotation is always in the center of the object. Now we want to change the center and rotate it up here. We go into rotate 45 degrees here to get a first, second, third and fourth petal. We will rotate it. We will rotate it. We just rotated a 45-degree angle by holding Shift. Because I said that. Whether it's drawing or moving, press Shift, it will go at a 45-degree angle, straight and sideways. We hold Shift, 45 degrees. You can see that every 45 degrees it will jump out a petal. We want to copy and jump over 45 degrees, so that we have a lotus shape. Now we will do it like this. Here we have an object. We will press R. It rotates so we can center the rotation here. We hold Alt and click one, then click another. We should not double click. We click each one above here instead of entering. You enter a positive number, it will rotate counterclockwise. Enter a negative number, it will rotate in the opposite direction. Now I will enter the angle minus 45 degrees. You can click and review to preview the results. If you click OK, it just jumps up here and doesn't make a copy. And when you press copy, that is when you press copy. It will create a copy and move it at an angle of 45 degrees. You just need to press Ctrl+D to repeat the last command. Make a copy and move it at a 45-degree angle. Ctrl+D. Here it doesn't fit because we don't put the center right at this point. I will reorder now. I will reorder and do it again. We'll press R and we'll put our standard center right here. It is the center of rotation. Hold Alt and click once. Click one more time. Enter angle minus 45, select copy. Then we press Ctrl+D. It will show this icon. As you can see, compared to the original icon, it has an extra long wing here, right? You just need to draw it a little bit. Draw it a little. We fixed it to make it beautiful. That's how you can draw an image from the original it copied. Of course, it's both more accurate and more complete when you draw by hand. Sometimes there are some strokes that are not curved or curved enough and even deviate. So that's not good. When designing a logo or doing anything that requires high precision, we should use tool tables to increase the accuracy of our products. This is the first little exercise to help you familiarize yourself with the pen tool and some tricks around it. Thank you and goodbye everyone.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.